Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to appear offline on Instagram. Wants to browse Instagram without anyone knowing? This video guides you how to appear offline on the popular social media platform. Learn the simple steps to disable the activity status features in Instagram, ensuring your online presence remains private. This feature, usually showing a green dot and your last active time, can be easily turned off for more discreet browsing, ideal for those times when you want to explore Instagram without any interruption or just need some quiet time away from social instructions. Get ready to navigate to the Instagram on your terms. Turn off the activity status feature on Instagram to navigate the platform privately without displaying your online status. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. For this, open Instagram app first and then navigate to your profile by tapping the icon in the lower right corner. Now access settings. Tap the hamburger icon in the upper right corner on your profile page and next select settings and privacy. From here you can search for the activity status and then tap on activity status. From here you can disable the active status. Toggle off the show activity status to hide your online appearance. By following these steps, you can enjoy Instagram directly without broadcasting your active status or last seen time to others. Disabling activity status on Instagram provides privacy but also limits visibility into others' online presence. And you are done. I hope this solution will help you how to appear offline on Instagram. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions.